ऑफ मदर टिंचर हम बुक पढ़ रहे थे, तो आज पढ़ते हैं 52 नर्वस डेबिलिटी से। रीड अश्वगंधा, अवेना, डेमियना एंड अल्फा इन चैप्टर 2। तो ये मेडिसिन मेनली डेबिलिटी के लिए होती हैं, ठीक है, नॉट ओनली मेंटल बट फिजिकल डेबिलिटी एज वेल। और नेक्स्ट है आगे, ओरिगेनम क्यू 1x if attended with excessive sexual excitement, Mica Q 1x if due to excessive loss of blood and vital fluids, fluid cerifolium Q 1x especially in old people with prostatic abnormality, Salix nigra Q if due to spermatoria, night blindness. Physostigma Q 1x specific remedy also give cod liver oil, obesity, fatness, corpulency. Ficus vesiculosis Q if attended with indigestion, flatulence. Phytolin Q attended with difficulty in walking, sitting, palpitation, dyspnea on the least exertion, nausea, eructations, a great fat reducer. Esculentina Q another great fat reducer may be alternated with phytolin. Phthisis. It is characterized by pulmonary hemorrhage, excessive expectoration with pain, cavities in lungs, night sweats, teasing cough, fever in the evening, great emaciation and debility, etc. Abrotenum Q pulmonary affections, rapid and great emaciation though eating well and ravenous hunger, emaciation ascending from feet upward, chilly burning in stomach with indigestion and lack of assimilation. Ecalipha indica hemorrhage of bright red blood in the morning with that of dark and clotted blood in the afternoon, teasing, incessant cough at night. Javorandi Q 1x. It is very useful in profuse debilitating sweat at night in phthisis. Nux jugulensis Q cough, aphonia, heaviness in chest, distension and hardness of abdomen, diarrhea, indigestion, glandular swelling with pus in axilla and its vicinity. Natrum ars Q where symptoms of natrum mure and arsenic have combined. Ficus religiosa hemorrhage of bright red blood from lungs. Blumia odorata Q of great service in phthisis with dry barking, soughing cough, wheezing, respiration, aphonia, hoarseness, having history of hemorrhagic diathesis. Hemamilis Q pulmonary hemorrhage of dark blood. Sidon dactylon Q in prominently hemorrhagic cases. Justitia rubrum Q profuse hemorrhage from lungs with violent cough. Ossimum sanctum Q first stage of consumption with slight fever, distressing dry cough, expectoration of flame streaked with blood. Eupatorium Ayapan Q bleeding from lungs with cough in consumption. Purpureal fever, chilliness, fever and other troubles in parturient mothers due to suppression of lochia producing a septic condition. Ashoka Q to regulate the discharge of lochia. Echinacea Q specific for purpureal fever. Paralysis, inability to use involuntary nerves with or without pain, etc. Nux vomica Q in the beginning of paralytic condition threatening tetanus. Strychnia fos Q if used in the very commencement. It arrests the development of paralysis and cures it if used constantly for a considerably longer period. Pits of pox. Serracenia Q it is a specific remedy to fill up the pits and scars caused by the smallpox. Variolinum in hypertension is another specific. Palpitation of heart. Avena sativa Q If due to seminal losses and nervous breakdown, cretaceous oxy Q. Specific remedy. Asparagus ripens Q. C. Heart affections. And next rheumatism and gout. Pain, swelling and immobility of joints. High MOSA Q in acute febrile stage. और नेक्स्ट इसके बाद आगे है बेलाडोना क्यू. In stiffness and acute affections when the pains come and go like electric shocks. Worse on touch and movement. Viscous sebum Q. Rheumatism of joints of gonorrheal origin, especially in women. Passiflora incarnata Q to reduce pain and induce sleep. Next is snake bite. Read Leucus aspera echinacea and Epitorium iapum in chapter 2. तो ये मेडिसिन जो है सेकेंड चैप्टर में दी गई हैं. नेक्स्ट है सेप्टिसीमिया. ये मैं सोची कि हम दिए गए हम कहाँ से पढ़ेंगे, हम पूरी बुक को फिनिश करेंगे तो ये सब आपको मिलेगा. ब्लड पॉइजनिंग. फ्लूइड कैलेंडुला 1x. इन ऑल कंडीशन इट इज स्पेसिफिक रेमेडी. इचिनेशिया क्यू अनदर बेस्ट एंटीसेप्टिक. हेमिडेस्मस इंडिका a great blood purifier. Suppression of urine. Camphor Q. Suppression of urine and all discharge, dry skin, cold skin, aversion to covering, internal heat, faintness and imperceptible pulse. Coleus aromatics. Specific remedy है ये. अब नेक्स्ट है स्पर्मेटोरिया. Seminal loss, nocturnal emission and consequent delirium. Avena sativa Q. One of the best medicine for mental, nervous, physical and seminal weakness. Damiana Q. Similar as Avena and may be used alternately. Ashwagandha Q. When mental weakness is prominent. Ficus indica Q. When nocturnal emission is prominent. Makar Dhwaj Q. If associated with cardiac weakness. Nupur luteum Q. Nocturnal emission, impotence, early ejaculation and all affections dependent on them. Saw palmetto Q. When enlargement of prostate is associated with spermatoria. Bellis perennis Q. Spermatoria associated with vertigo. Salix nigra Q. When impotence is prominent in spermatoria. Suppression of milk. Ricinus Q. Internally and massage of it in the mammary is the best measure to induce secretion and increase of milk. तो जो लैक्टेटिंग मदर्स है उनके लिए ये जो मदर टिंचर ये बहुत बढ़िया है, ये आप ले सकते हो. नेक्स्ट है सेंसलेसनेस. फेंटिंग, अनकॉन्शियसनेस, सडन. एम्साइल नाइट्रिकम Q ड्यू टू इंटेंस पेन. Camphor Q. Sudden fainting and unconsciousness with collapse, etc. Moschus Q. In unconsciousness of hysteria. Skin diseases. Calotropis gigantea Q. Especially suitable for skin diseases, gangrenous ulcers with syphilitic poison. Echinacea Q. It is specific remedy in all kinds of skin diseases in all stages due to accumulation of all kinds of miasmatic poisons. It is the best purifier of blood. Spongia Q. It is regarded as a patent medicine for all skin diseases. Cornus arternifolia Q. Especially for chilblains and broken skin. Spasm. Painful contraction in the nerves. Camphor Q. Spas with dryness, internal heat and external coldness threatening collapse. Passiflora incarnata or compound is specific remedy to relieve all kinds of spasm. Syphilis. Ulcers of various kinds on genital organs, coppery red spots on skin in the primary stage and ulcers on tissue and bones of body in the later stage are main symptoms of syphilis. Echinacea Q. In all kinds and stages of syphilis. Calotropis Q. 1x. In syphilis of advanced stage resulting in leprosy of gangrenous type. Sidon dactylon. Especially in secondary syphilis with hemorrhagic diathesis and urinary troubles. Cascara amagra. Prominent remedy in syphilis and may be alternated with echinacea. Hemidesmus indica Q, very useful in syphilitic and other manifestation due to abuse of mercury associated with indigestion and loss of appetite. Kali iode, syphilis suppressed in hot and sensitive patients. Tremor, trembling of head and limbs. Next है Agaricus Q, associated with chorea and uterine disorders. Nux vomica Q, especially in persons of sedentary habits. Tarantula Q, in tremor and uneasiness of limbs with cardiac or urinary troubles. Tetanus, convulsions with rigidity and curvature of spine, etc. Hypericum Q, especially when injury to sentient nerves has caused tetanus. Nux vomica just in the beginning. स्ट्रोनिया क्यू, या आप मेडिसिन का नाम क्लियर कर लीजिए क्या मेडिसिन है. एक्ट्स लाइक अ पेटेंट मेडिसिन इफ गिवन इन द वर ऑनसेंट वेरी ऑनसेंट, सॉरी कुछ मिस प्रिंट यहाँ पे हो रखा है, इन द वेरी ऑनसेंट. पैसिफ्लोरा कंपाउंड क्यू, इमिडिएटली रिलीव्स पेन एंड टेंशन. ट्यूमर, abnormal growth in the size of a nut or an egg. Fraxinus americana Q, useful for uterine tumors, fibrosy growth and distressing backache. Hysteris Q, imputed tumor threatening cancer. Condurango Q, tumors of cancerous dyscrasia. Orthuja Q, in psychotic subjects. ये नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन का नाम है कुछ छिमाफीलिया क्यू, क्रोनिक सिस्टाइटिस एंड वायलेंट पेन एंड ट्यूमर ऑफ ब्रेस्ट्स. ये भी आप एक बार मेडिसिन का नाम चेक कर लीजिएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आगे CH या उसमें थोड़ा सा मिसप्रिंट हो रखा है. यूट्राइन डिसऑर्डर, एलेक्ट्रिस फेरिनोसा क्यू, जनरल टॉनिक एंड रिफॉर्मर ऑफ यूट्राइन ट्रबल्स. Hydrastis Q, cancer tumor of the uterus or leucoreal, discharges thick and yellow. Ashoka Q, it is the best regulator of menstrual troubles and all elements dependent on them. Viburnum opulum and prunus, in all uterine elements in women who are habituated to early abortion and dysmenorrhea. Note, for intensive study of medicines prescribed above, you must thorough study chapter number 2. तो ये हमने अभी तक इतना पढ़ा. नेक्स्ट आगे अब क्या है यहाँ पर, आगे यहाँ पे हम चैप्टर नंबर 2 पर आ गए हैं. तो चैप्टर नंबर 2 में हम क्या पढ़ेंगे, मटेरिया मेडिका एंड यूज़ ऑफ इंटरनल मदर टिंचर. मतलब जो हम इंटरनली इनटेक लेंगे उन वाले मदर टिंचर्स का यूज़ हम पढ़ेंगे इस चैप्टर नंबर 2 में. तो फर्स्ट जो मेडिसिन है वो है अब्रोमा अगस्ता क्यू. Abramo Augusta has gained high reputation in curing wonderfully diabetes mellitus and insipidus. Ravenous hunger, insatiable thirst, frequent and profuse micturition, obstinate constipation, indignant and forgetful disposition with rapidly growing extreme debility and pronounced emaciation are the characteristic features of this wonderful Indian drug. Ulat Kamal. It is a unique drug in the entire materia medica in effecting instant cure and relief in dysmenorrhea. The patient creates panic by her shrieks and shrills due to intolerable pain. The blood is dark and clotted, sometimes yellowish with scanty or profuse menstrual flow. Chlorosis, hysteric spasm, irregular menses and leukorrhea are the satellites revolving around dysmenorrhea. Directions. In diabetes, administer Abroma Augusta Q in 5 drop doses 3 times a day and Sagizium jambolicum jamun se bani Q in 5 drops twice daily. In dysmenorrhea and all complications associated with it, give Abroma Augusta Q in 10 drop doses every hour or often according to the severity of the pain. During paroxysm, Passiflora incarnata Q should be given in 60 drop doses with an ounce of hot water at bedtime to induce sleep. After the cessation of menstrual period, give Abroma Augusta 1x in 2 drop doses, Xanthozylum 1x in 2 drop dose and Ashoka Genoscia Q in 5 drop doses each twice daily with an ounce of water. Continue this process till the next menstrual period. The treatment should continue almost for 3 months according to method directed above. To ensure radical cure, give Medorinum CM 1 dose every month just after the menstrual period, as most of the cases of dysmenorrhea are dependent on psychotic gonorrheal virus contacted from husband. नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन है जो है वो है अब्रोमा रेडिक्स क्यू. इट इज़ प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम द बार्क ऑफ उलाट कमल, वेयर इज अब्रोमा अगस्ता इज प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम द लीव्स ऑफ द सेम इंडियन प्लांट. अब्रोमा रेडिक्स इज अ ग्रेट यूट्राइन टॉनिक and is more efficacious than Abroma augusta in all complaints, especially dysmenorrhea. It should be used in same way with all its complementary medicines. Abrotenum. I agree with Dr. Jones in affirming that this drug affects marvelous cure of consumption with peritonitis, emaciation, and marasmus from feet upward with constant distension and acidity in the abdomen. Fish shriveled, dry, cold, and pale with the characteristics that the patient loses flesh rapidly while living well with ravenous hunger like iodine, natramur. Give 1x in 2 drop doses 4 times a day or according to the severity of the case. This drug may be complemented with tuberculinum 1m once in a month. Acalypha indica Q. This drug has gained universal reputation in the domain of homeopathy for its wonderful efficacy in effecting instant relief and radical cure in the hemorrhage from lungs in consumptives with the characteristics: hemorrhage of bright red blood in the morning and that of dark clotted blood in the afternoon, and soreness and teasing incessant cough at night. To be used in Q in the beginning in 5 drop doses 4 times a day in an ounce of cool water, and afterwards 1x in 2 drop doses 4 times a day. Complementaries: Volumia odorata, Ficus religiosa, Hamamelis, Aconite, Nepalus, Phosphorus, etc. Agifolia bilvapatra Q. It is a very efficacious remedy in all kinds of local and general dropsy, anasarca or ascites with or without fever, diarrhea or constipation with full, soft and regular pulse. The mother tinctures of this wonderful drug should be used in 5 drop doses 2 times a day, and this should be alternated with Borhebia diffusa Q in 5 drop doses twice daily in dropsies. Persons desires to maintain celibacy with calmness of libido should use Aglifolia Q in 2 drop doses twice daily with an ounce of cool water. Aglifolia 200 once in a week removes impotency, restores sexual strength and vitality. Next है Agla marmelos Vilva fel Q. It is equally efficacious in all complaints amenable to Aglafolia. It is very efficacious in diarrhea and dysentery, in acute and chronic stages in children, young men, and the fragile old persons when merc or etc. have failed. Use from 5 to 20 drops a dose in cool water at intervals of 2 to 3 hours according to the severity of the case. Aconite radix. It acts like a magic in thin watery stool, vomiting of green, black and bilious substance, violent tenesmus and pain in abdomen, retention of urine, coldness and blueness of the whole body, respiration very difficult and cold, vertigo, pulse feeble, imperceptible. Use this remedy in 1x dilution in 1 drop dose with cool water at intervals of every 15 minutes. In case of senselessness or inability to swallow the remedy, let the patient inhale the remedy purely dropped in cotton, and it will prove to be a great savior. In chilliness, shivering and perspiration during tetanic convulsions, give Aconite radix 1x 1 drop with an ounce of cool water every 15 minutes. Aconite Naples Q. This wonderful drug has saved many lives from inevitable death in the stage of collapse with coldness of body, face cyanotic and like a corpse, great agony, restlessness, fear of death, weakness of heart with regular beat but imperceptible pulse. Give Aconite Q in 1 drop dose with cool water every 15 minutes. In rheumatic fever, when the temperature rises higher than 105 degrees, give Aconite Q drop in cool water every 15 minutes and the temperature will sooner come down to normalcy. Rubini's camphor Q and Simicifuga Q likewise act as a magic in getting the high temperature of rheumatic fever down in 2 to 5 doses, the former with sugar of milk and the latter in an ounce of cool water. Echinacea Q. Great languor, cold perspiration of the whole body, fetid breath, ulcers in pharynx, diphtheria and hemorrhage of dark blood. Calls for its use in 5 to 10 drop doses every 2 hours. It may be complemented with a dose of diphtherium 200 in malignant diphtheria. Acid hydro 1x to 3x. In collapse stage, when the death is threatening with the following symptoms: sunken eyes and face cyanotic like a corpse, whole body like a corpse, cold and wet with cold sweat, blueness of nails and forepart of nails, shriveled, semblessness or groaning, moaning, water or medicine does not descend from throat, imperceptible pulse, very slow respiration, great difficulty in breathing. The patient has to gasp for a few seconds for taking breath as if this is the last attempt. Half open eye or staring look. Give 1x, 2x, 3x in 2 drop doses plain ऑन द टंग एवरी 5 मिनट्स। तो आज हम इतना ही पढ़ेंगे। नेक्स्ट आगे का हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे।